Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how do I stream an Alarm.com camera to my 2 gig edge panel. So today we're going to be using the ADC V515. We do have a full list of compatible cameras on our website. So a few things with streaming to the panel. First and foremost, you need an Alarm.com account. You need your alarm panel connected to that account and connected to a Wi-Fi connection. The camera will also have to be connected to a Wi-Fi connection in order to stream. We'll first get the camera to stream to the Alarm.com account itself, and then I'll show you how to enable the feature through Alarm.com on how to stream to the panel, and then we'll test the panel and make sure it's working properly. Okay, so before we can get the camera to stream to the panel, well, first we're going to be using the ADC V515 camera. Before it can stream to the panel, we have to pair it with our Alarm.com account. You'll want to do this through the website itself. It just makes it a little bit easier. So we'll go to video. Right here it shows that we do have video monitoring enabled. If you do not see this, make sure to contact your monitoring company. That way they can enable the feature for you. We're going to press Add Camera. And now we have our options here. We did have this previously installed, so it does already have the information, but we're going to act like we haven't installed the camera before. So we'll scroll down. We have our selections here. I see the one that we have, the V515. Select that. It's going to let us know what's required for installation. We already have all that. We're going to press yes. Now there is a few options. There is the WPS option on how to pair. We are going to go ahead and, well, just to show you, when I press no, it's going to have us do the access point mode. For this, we're going to do WPS. So if you do access point, you just follow the steps here. It's going to walk you through it. We will do WPS, so select the camera. Okay. Start. I'm going to select WPS option. Okay, so connect the camera's AC power. It's already plugged in, but I will go ahead and do that again. And we're going to wait until the LED on the camera turns solid red. Okay, solid red. So press next. All right, now we're going to activate WPS on the camera itself. So that is on the back, this little button here. We're going to press that down for a few seconds until the LED switches to a blinking blue. Okay, blinking blue. Then we're going to press flashing blue. All right, now we're going to activate WPS on the router. Okay, so we've enabled WPS on the router. We'll go ahead and press WPS enabled. We're going to wait for the LED to turn solid green. So first it's going to be this red, then it's going to go to blinking green, and solid green. Perfect. Okay, so we'll press solid green. Okay, so now you would install the camera into its final resting point. So we're going to do exit tutorial. And we'll go to video. All right, so after we have went through the pairing process, we went to video, and as you see, it does not show the camera that we just paired. But if we do add camera, it is going to show it here. It shows the status is ready because we have it paired to the Wi-Fi. We're going to name the camera. We'll just name it Office. It has the information that we have. We have the MAC address that we can check on the camera, make sure it matches. But this is the one that we just went through the process of getting connected to Wi-Fi. We will press install. Video installation is started. and then you let it just go through its process here. So this is going to pair it to the alarm.com account itself. Okay, so camera is paired. We have paired to the Wi-Fi, we have paired to alarm.com. We can do a live view. All right, so we have the camera paired to alarm.com. We have our live view. So since we just paired the camera, just to make sure that there are no settings that are lagging behind, we're going to do a refresh. Okay. And now to get the camera to stream to the 2 gig edge panel, we'll go to settings. We're going to see the stream video to panel option. Again, if you do not see that, just go ahead and do the refresh right here. It's going to give us all of our cameras that are paired, that are capable of streaming. We're going to press Office and Save. Okay. And we'll just give that a couple minutes just to make sure that there is no lagging behind. Okay, so now that we have the stream to panel option enabled, what you'll do at the panel itself is we'll press Smart Home. We'll go to Cameras. It's going to show the live stream from the camera to the panel. This particular camera that we're using does have a two-way audio feature, so you can hold to talk here, and you can talk through the camera. And then I'm not going to press this just because the camera is so close. It's going to be a lot of feedback. But if you unmute that, any sound that the camera picks up, you can hear through the panel as well. Okay, so that is how you stream an alarm.com camera to the 2 gig edge panel. As we went over, showed how to get it paired to your alarm.com account first, showed what feature to enable on that account, and then streamed it to the panel, tested it there, everything was looking good. If you did like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you had any questions for us, give us a call at 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And we have a live chat feature on our website, www.alarmgrid.com, so feel free to reach out through any of those avenues. My name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.